My name is Lei, and welcome to my kitchen. No idea what to cook for dinner? Here is one pot wonder with a few pantry staples, bursting with flavors, and will be done in 15 minutes. All you need are a few colorful bell peppers, half an onion, garlic, and your favorite sausages. I'm using 3 links of Polish and 2 jalapeno pork sausage. Prep vegetables and sausage. Slice the peppers, followed by onions, then crush and rough chop the garlic. Then slice the sausage on a bias to maximize the surface to absorb all the flavors. Next, cook veggies and sausage. In a large pot over medium heat, add olive oil, toss in garlic and sliced onions. Add some salt to draw the water out. Sauté for a few minutes until the onions are translucent. Then add bell peppers and season with salt and pepper. Stir and sauté for 5 more minutes. Add the sausage in. Season with dried oregano, paprika, fennel seeds, 4 tablespoons of canned tomatoes, and 1 cup of chicken stock. I added another half a cup more. Cover to simmer over low heat. Stir occasionally. Time to serve. You can enjoy this over rice, pasta, a piece of hearty bread, or even cauliflower rice for a low-carb twist. I ate as is, but my husband did it over freshly steamed rice. There you have it. Sausage and peppers are done in one pot in 15 minutes. Easy, hearty, and full of flavors. Not much to clean up either. Perfect weeknight dinner. Please check in the description below for ingredients, step-by-step cooking instructions, and links to products frequently used in my videos. If you enjoy this recipe, don't forget to like and subscribe for more authentic dishes from around the world. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.